The 1955 Cadillac LaSalle II Roadster stands as one of the most intriguing experimental cars ever produced by General Motors. Its story begins in the mid-1950s, when General Motors executives considered reviving the historic LaSalle brand, once positioned as a companion mark to Cadillac. Under the leadership of Harley Earl and his art and color section, two concept cars were created for the 1955 GM Motorama, a compact four-door hardtop sedan and a two-seat Roadster convertible. Both were named LaSalle II, symbolizing a potential rebirth of the brand. The Roadster was the more radical of the two. It featured a lightweight fiberglass body and highly unconventional styling. The design included concave body panels, fully exposed rear fenders, and a sharply truncated rear end. Vertical grille elements referenced pre-war LaSalle models, while distinctive Dagmar bumper guards and side-mounted exhaust pipes added a futuristic touch. The exhaust system ran through the chassis side rails and exited just ahead of the rear wheels, a feature that was both visually striking and technically unusual. Despite its advanced appearance, the LaSalle II Roadster was never intended for production. It was built purely as a dream car to showcase design innovation. The car used a unit body construction and was reportedly fitted with experimental V6 engines, although some accounts suggest these were non-functional or mock-up power plants. Additional unusual features included integrated brake drums cast into the wheels and a very low overall profile, achieved in part by small-diameter tires. After the Motorama exhibitions, the fate of both LaSalle II cars seemed sealed. General Motors ordered them destroyed, and they were sent to a salvage yard in Michigan. For decades, it was believed that the cars had been scrapped. However, they had actually been left intact, hidden in a remote corner of the yard. In the late 20th century, collector Joe Bortz discovered both vehicles and acquired them. Their survival was remarkable, given how many concept cars of the era were lost forever. The Roadster later appeared in unrestored condition at the 2008 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, marking General Motors' centennial celebration. Today, the 1955 Cadillac LaSalle II Roadster is recognized as a rare survivor of the Motorama era. Its bold design, experimental engineering, and unlikely preservation make it an important artifact of American automotive history.